first delivery of the action. And too far outside the off-stump, not an ominous start from Fazal Farooqi. Down the track and down the ground. A brutal blow from Gurbaz. Glorious, absolutely glorious from Gurbaz. He's off the mark. Full toss, hammers through the offside. He has picked the gap and he's picked the boundary as well. Back-to-back boundaries for Gurbaz. He's off and running with bat in hand. Launches one down the ground over mid-on and will pick up a boundary. Just dropping it short and Khalid making it count. Slip in position. Cuts it firmly. Lovely stroke. Intentions clear. Khalid is just stroking it beautifully here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium.
Sweet timing. Probably can be a reason why HB left-arm spinner has been bought. That should be leg bias wide. It is leg bias.
Gurbaz not in control, but still will pick up a boundary. Looking to charge him down the ground, slicing it over the top. Shot and pulled magnificently for 6. Tremendous ball striking from Rahmanullah Gurbaz.
Bounce attempted. I thought the height was good.
Probably not the pace. Square leg was in place. It was a good bounce, it got to be said, because 2 fielders out for the pull at mid-wicket and square leg.
Full toss and straight to mid-off. Wants a run, chance! Stumps broken at the striker's end.
The reaction from Gurbaz, who's at the non-striker's end, not out, but Taniwal looks like he's going to be out, isn't promising. Did he miss the ball by any chance? He misses the ball there. More Sharks. Taniwal was nowhere in the picture. Gets alive, Taniwal.
Down the ground, beautiful, gorgeous from Gurbaz. That is a supreme timely stroke from Gurbaz.
That was against the turn. And the length by Ashraf was way too full. He was guilty in the last over, pitching it short for a couple of boundaries.
Through the onside. Humongous, mountainous hit from Gurbaz. Back-to-back 6s.
If you thought the first one was better, this is even more better.
Khalid goes down the ground. Long off is interested and he has taken the catch. Wicket for Sharafuddin Ashraf.
Gurbaz played the first ball of the over. The difference was the length was slightly shorter in this particular delivery. And it gripped a bit. And that was enough for Qais Ahmed to take a safe catch at long off.
Oh, Dasal H. Out of the boundary. Tsaka bandit sa lower mandi. Wafiullah Tarakhel. Dasal. Oh, excellent kid. Pasala puri. Derala. Amda kasi kichuna mechuna gati.
Nur Rahman pitching lakshata waqt al-onside talachi. Au dera pasda pure hasa. Da sera neve sera da uda baid leyada onabasu. Oh, dive sara. Chataktia surat da to bomderu. Au da dashpagizi neve sera da.
Oh, Apsara udalta behtarina katta to the point boundary paluri bandi. Hatsa. Au nabari ale keji to the boundary tsaka da bandi. Salor mandi. 215 strike rate bandi to pana tar sara kare. Shot out to guru chida boundary paluri bandi. Out Salor mandi. Shot out to the mid wicket boundary tsaka da bandi Salor mandi. Rahmanullah Gurbaz. Down the wicket, Razia Udalta Guru Chitto of the long on boundary Chaka. The Lobsar, Ishara Spagiza, Pazrapuri Shatuna, Kabul Cricket Lob Galiki, the Rahmanullah Gurbaz Labet Chaka.
Udalta Badshahi Rawana, the Rahmanullah Gurbaz. Wide long on out the deep mid wicket area, Padarabandi, middle of the bat. Second control, the Rahmanullah Gurbaz Delta. Azmatullah Umarze. कोशिश की ची वेरिएशन न गटा वाखली खो दलता गुरबज हेस रहम न कई बेरहम तो वहाना
अजमतुल्लाह उमर से द गुरबज पर ओहो बीट सुपर दलता लो चार इशारा की आउट बेहतरीन पसड़ पूरी तो पाचवाना عظمت الله عمرزی د ګربز وکټ ترلاسه کوي د لوبې بڼه بدلوي ګربز بې رحمه او برید کوونکي توپانه تر دا مهاله په کابل کرکټ لوبغاړي کې خو د هغې پاڼۍ ته د پای ټکی ږدي ګربز خوشحاله نه برېښي خو لوبڅار ګوته د اسمان په لور اوچته کړه او د دوی پاڼۍ ته یې د پای ټکی کېښود
معمولی سنیک او د محمد اسحاق رحیمی په ګلوزو کې بال عظمت الله عمر زی دا ځل سیم سره ویریشن سره او دا ځل بریالی کیږي څه یو خوشحالي او ولې نه ډېر غټ لوبغاړی په دام کې راګیریږي لوبډل مشر ګربز 21 توپونه 48 منډې
په دفاعي توګه لوبوي که څه هم عظمت الله عمرزي ډېره مهمه وکټه ترلاسه کړه په دغه اوور کې د رحمان الله ګربز 15 منډې د 3 وکټو په زیان مساینه کاتلان پایلوبه کابل کرکټ لوبغالي کې د امو نهنګانو په وړاندې